वरंगल कैंप की सीरीज में एक पेशेंट और हैं. योर नेम?
सर माय नेम इज़ कल्याण.
कल्याण. तो हिज नेम इज़ कल्याण और इनका रिव्यू भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. तो कल्याण जी बताइए फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग आपको कैसे क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम था और अभी कैसा फील कर रहे हैं?
Sir, I came here for I'm in fourth stage.
या.
Initially, I don't have any hope. Now I got in hope within 5 days because so many. I went to so many hospitals, but everyone there telling that you need to go for replacement surgery. There is no another option. I tried so many hospitals also. I tried many medicines. But after coming here, I got a hope that I will cure definitely through your Ayurvedic medicine. I'm going with hope, and I will tell to everyone this is the right and correct platform. Who wants to? You don't want to go for replacement surgery.
Okay.
Come here. Sir will give good suggestions and informative and very good treatment with Ayurvedic therapies. And this is my first sitting, and I hope and within second or third sitting I will heal almost completely. But everyone I will suggest that please come visit once first sitting, then you will ask to every patient review. After getting review, definitely within 10 minutes you will get hope. Whoever comes here, everyone they are telling that positively we will cure and no need to go for replacement surgery like that. I heard so many patients, but I didn't get any single negative comment of any person. This is the right platform. Please visit once wherever camp is conducting. Like this is Warangal camp, and another camp is going to conduct in Pune, and another camp is conducting somewhere else. Sir.
Yeah, Indore.
Indoor, like that. So many camps are going to conduct, and the team also is very good. They are giving good service, and I hope everyone will get good hope and no need to go for replacement surgery. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. What are the changes you are observing?
Changes, sir. Our pain has come down, sir. Pain has come down.
Okay.
And main thing is pain, sir.
Yeah.
Because of pain only we are coming here.
Yeah.
Gradually, I didn't started that whatever giving your medicine. After going home, I will start. But before that only, I got good hope.
Yeah.
After starting medicine, I may be definitely. I hope I will get cured.
थोड़ा सा चल के दिखाएंगे? We want to see. Okay, this is your walk now. Okay. In the next session, we will again see his walk. How can you will walk after 2 months of this session? And now he get a lot of benefits. Pain is reduced. Mental motivation is also there.
Mental motivation.
Mentally motivated.
Most importantly, mental motivation is necessary for AVN patients.
Yeah.
But don't lose your hope. You will get good hope after coming here. You will go with a positive intention that somehow, somewhere or somehow, definitely I will come out of this problem.
Sure. Thank you very much. Thank you.